You don't have to rely on injectables to smooth your skin. Now, Botox has its place, and for some women, it's a choice that makes them feel confident. But if you've been wondering whether there are natural, non-toxic alternatives that actually work, stay right here. Now, most women think that Botox is their only option because they are tired of feeling like their skin is aging faster than they are. Forehead lines, crow's feet, tension from stress. Life shows up on your face every single day. Motherhood, work, especially hormones and emotions. But your skin isn't failing you. Your collagen just needs to have real support. Now, most anti-aging products only work on the surface. They don't actually rebuild collagen. They don't repair the barrier. They don't calm inflammation, which accelerates aging the fastest. And when your barrier is weak, the skin loses hydration, it loses firmness and bounce, even with the expensive creams. Hey, I'm Nikki Matias, and I'm a paramedical and cosmetic tattoo artist, and I have spent years working on real faces and helping people just like you heal their skin naturally and understand what it really needs to thrive without the toxins, confusions, and those ridiculous 10-step routines. So if you're not doing Botox, or you want something that supports your skin with or without injectables, here's what truly works. 1, you're going to strengthen your skin barrier because deep lines look deeper when your barrier is compromised. Healthy skin holds hydration, which naturally smooths and softens. 2, reduce inflammation. Inflammation ages your skin faster than time. Biblical ingredients like frankincense, myrrh, sandalwood, they calm, they soothe, and they support deep repair. 3, support your collagen with microneedling and facial movement. Microneedling is one of my favorites. It uses tiny controlled needles to gently stimulate your skin to produce more collagen, your collagen, the same way your body naturally heals. It doesn't freeze anything with toxins, it just simply boosts renewal. And facial massage helps by relaxing tension lines from the stress and the expressions that you carry all day. 4, use a collagen supporting serum. This is why I created Skin Revival. When I'm doing paramedical and tattoo work, I need a clean restorative serum that truly helps the skin repair itself because it hydrates, it supports healing, it helps your skin stay firm, it smooths, it naturally lifts, whether you use Botox or not. And it has those lipids that our skin craves that we lose as we age. Now, aging isn't something that you fight. It's something that we should actually be honoring because your skin was designed to renew. It was designed to repair. It just needs the right support, not the pressure, and certainly not perfection. When you give your skin truth, it will give you your true radiance back. Now, if you're ready to understand exactly what your skin needs to age beautifully and naturally, take my Where to Start Skincare quiz because it gives you a personalized roadmap based on your skin's real needs. And if that helps you, make sure to like and subscribe so more women can take their power back with or without injectables because aging gracefully begins with truth and a little rebellion.